In this video, I'm going to make a crystal background. This is going to have like some cool stuff. So first we have to draw a crystal right here. And then we make another crystal right here. Make sure you make those little lines on the sides. Just like that. And then we're going to make a crystal right here, and then we're going to make a hill.
I couldn't find my money. It was in my other pencil holder.
And we're gonna make a hill right here to put this crystal on. Just like that. And then we're gonna add some detail, some rocks, that kind of stuff. Then we're going to make another hill right here. And then we're gonna make a hill in the background right there. And then we're gonna make a crystal. Done making the crystal. Let's make another crystal right here after we make a hill. Then we're gonna make a big crystal thing right here. And then we're gonna make another hill over here. A crystal, and put a crystal right here, and then this is gonna be a pointy crystal. And then we're gonna make a horizon line right over here.
Do you have a chair?
Now that I'm drawing this, we should probably draw a different horizon line. Because this one doesn't really look that right. There we go. Now let's draw a crystal. Now that we're done with all these crystals, you can color it. Pause the video when I'm done coloring to color it. And time to color it. All done.